In front of me is VIVO Y19s, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then select any of those themes by clicking on the chosen one. Use the switcher next to keyboarders to switch them off or on, and when you're ready, hit apply. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it, go back to the same settings, and this time select this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on a photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pitch it to scale, drag it to move, and select next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage keyboarders and choose apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!